What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new video. As you can see behind me, we have picked up another car. It is a 2010 Ford Ka. I've picked it up from Copart in Sandwich. We've just got back. We'll have a quick look around the car. Now, this isn't going to be a big project because it's just minor damage. It's a Cat N, unfortunately it has been recorded, but there is really minor damage on the car. Now, this is going to be a quick flip. Hopefully I need to apply for the logbook. I haven't looked in the car, haven't even started the car, so this is all going to be a first. So we'll get it started. We'll see, well, if it starts fine. It does state it starts. It's recently MOT'd back in March, so 2 months ago, so fingers crossed it does start. We'll have a look around, I'll show you the damage. It's going into the body shop next week to be repaired. Like I said, by the end of next week I'll have it back, and hopefully, all being well, once the logbook comes, I'll have it up for sale. So let's go and take a look. The key is still in the car. Like I said, I haven't started it. I do want to check. I do want to check the wheel, so main damage along the side door there. It's got a little thing on the sill there. The door is going in to be repaired. It's not going to be a new door. He reckons, the paint shop reckons, that they can pull it out, skim it with filler, and it will be done. It's a Ka titanium. There's got a sticker on there, but there's a crack there, so the rear bumper is going to be done. So new exhaust. It looks like it's had new springs as well, so let's have a look inside. Obviously, the first thing you probably notice is the colour. Can't really miss it. It's like it's a green colour, so it does have a crack up there on the glass. I didn't see that in the pictures. What we've got in here? Okay, so it's got 4 stamps. The last stamp, it was at 91,000. So the cam belt and water pump, so it says there. It does have locking wheel nuts. Don't know where the wheel nut key is for it. Might be in the boot. I'm glad that's there, because a lot of the time they don't come with them, so I don't know what these are. So yeah, I'm going to check the oil, make sure that that's all okay. 2 keys as well. Let's start it. Let's see if the ignition. $102,000. Pretty clean. Overall happy with that. Let's go and have a look in the boot. It does have a bit of rust around there. How does this work? There we go. Where would that locking wheel nut key be? Let's check the oil. Oil in it. We'll give it a start. Let's see what happens. What's that? Alright, here we go. Got a little misfire. Let's get it off. So once it's warmed up, it actually sounds alright. Doesn't sound like there's a misfire. What I did notice is there is a blow on the exhaust. If you listen, so we'll need to get that sorted. Overall, it's going to be a very simple, quick, easy fix. So it's now booked in with the body shop, so this is probably going to be one of two videos. The next video is once it come back from the body shop, then we go through prices, hopefully a quick turnover. I've already applied for the logbook, so fingers crossed that doesn't take too long to come through. Obviously we need to decide what we're going to do about the windscreen, because I've only got traders insurance, so that's not covered on the traders insurance. But yeah, that's the car that we've got at the moment. There's plenty more content to come. I've literally been so flat out with other projects and stuff, haven't had time to film. You know, I've had such a backlog, but I want to show you guys this one. We've still got the Touran and the Caddy. I don't think I've made that video live yet. I filmed 2 videos on the Caddy and Touran conversion, the engine swap, so that'd be an interesting watch, so watch out for that one. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. If you're new, do subscribe to the channel, and follow us on Instagram, Car Trader Diaries, to get more sneak peeks. So this is going off to the body shop. When it comes back, we'll show you around the car, show you obviously the after work and so on. So take it easy, and I'll catch you very soon. Peace.